Alright guys, so in today's video what we're going to be doing is painting the block, heads, and valve cover and prepping. First things first, we got to prep everything before we can paint it, because if not then the paint won't stick and then it'll just look just as ugly as it is now. But we're going to remove all the rust, old oil, any kind of grime, anything like that. We're going to be using a grinder and this drill with a couple wire wheels, and then I've got a couple of hand brushes that we're going to be using as well. So I knew this was going to be a problem. I should just freaking sandblast the whole damn thing. Let me get some goggles on. Not the best goggles, but whatever. I don't have the best of anything. Alright guys, this is how she came out after I applied the blue to the block and the silver to the heads. Right now we're working on cleaning up the gasket surface, and I've got to helicoil this hole and this hole so we can it'll accept new bolts. I have the new timing cover, and we're going to block off the old oil dipstick. And yeah, we're going to install the new intake manifold and go away with the old one. I'm going to get some new hardware. I just gotta take this down to Ace with me and get some new stuff. And yeah, I'll probably go pick up the helicoils today as well and get those installed so we can get this manifold on the motor. And look for the next video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.